Now we move from theory to real aircraft case studies, where we will see how structural principles are applied to solve actual safety and reliability issues. This case study studies assembly non-conformances found in the forward pressure bulkhead, which is a critical pressurized structural component of the aircraft fuselage. During inspections, excessive gaps and local pull-up were observed at attach angles and splice cord joints. In pressurized structures, proper joint fit-up is essential because cabin pressure creates continuous cyclic loading on the bulkhead. If assembly tolerances are not maintained, uneven load transfer can occur, leading to local stress concentration and potential fatigue damage. The AD therefore required detailed inspections of both external dome web areas and internal structural joints, with repair mandated before further flight if damage is detected. This case study highlights a key manufacturing lesson. In pressure boundary structures, dimensional control and joint alignment during assembly are just as critical as design strength. Small assembly deviations can significantly influence structural integrity and long-term fatigue performance.